Breakfast this morning, I'm actually going to make some waffles, and I'm going to use that as a bread, and then I'm going to put like sausage and bacon and eggs into like a sandwich. I'll show you guys in a second what that's really going to look like. I'm dying. I'm so tired. Coffee. Overview: the eggs, the scallions, our favorites, bacon and sausage. Good morning, guys. So I'm actually gonna do my makeup kind of live, I guess you could say, for you guys. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy today. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Inked Brow in the shade Auburn. This is basically like a henna for your eyebrows. I like using it kind of like today, which is Friday. But I don't like spending time on my eyebrows. I freaking hate my eyebrows. You guys know I get so criticized for my eyebrows on every social media platform that people hate my eyebrows. That's okay. I hate them too. But I'm just gonna kind of like fill in the bottom with this stuff. I just can't find a, I guess you say, look that works. Like, I mean, I love my husband calls them the surprise eyebrows when I kind of spike them upwards, like fluffy. And I also like them red, but in pictures I hate how both look, so it's annoying. And I don't like I don't like the way that looks on me either, so yeah. And obviously I haven't colored my hair, so Auburn is a little light, but that's okay. As of right now, I'm not going anywhere. And I don't know if I'm going back to work next week, which would honestly suck if I did, because hours would not be, I would not be getting hours, so I just prefer not to go back. Alright, so really quickly, I do want to give you guys a little bit of a update. So we had birds in our roof like 2 weeks ago. And my father-in-law was able to take it out because it was in our attic, which is our bedroom. And that side actually has a door. So we were able to take the little guy out of the attic, which was great, right? Then the following week, which was last weekend, which was EDC weekend, another one went in there, but unfortunately he went on the side that we cannot get to them. So poor little guy basically died in my roof. We could not like, we could put a hole in it, but right now that's not something we could do, since we're trying to, like, you know, stay away from the world. Unless we truly need to, which really sucks. But yeah, I mean, he was in there for 2 days literally crying, and we couldn't get him out. And we didn't want my father-in-law to come and risk himself to put a hole in our wall with my husband, so yeah. And then the flood warning in Chicago hit. We are beyond blessed that it didn't get too much in here. We did get some water. It was just like our pump kind of backed up a little bit because it was pouring. But our neighbors said that it went, like, it was bad on them. And then I believe my aunt also had it really bad, which really sucks. Like, we saw so much on social media of how badly it was. It, like, really sucks. I'm so sorry if any of you guys went through that, because that sucks. I'm gonna use Summer Fridays. It's a mask, but you can use it as a moisturizer / primer. I'm also gonna apply some Caffeine by Inglist underneath my eyes. But yeah, so, you know, that really sucked. But again, it could have been worse, so insane. But yeah, so that was kind of a last week entitled. I also did get flow and I was literally dying. It was horrible. I haven't had it that bad in a while, but it was really bad. This is my eye cream, you know, that I keep myself kind of young. So I only did the bottom of my eyebrows. I might not do the top. I don't know. I think I'll just do kind of like the wing a little bit. So you're supposed to just let it dry. And it lasts for a couple days. Honestly, it lasts for like 2 days with me because I wash my face with like oil and stuff. So it only lasts like 2 days on me. But if you really don't do your makeup and you are very careful, you can make it last for longer. This is called my Lazy Brow. I need to get a darker shade. This is like 26 bucks though, so just know it's not cheap. I think another brand has one of these. Not Winky Brow, because I think they're the ones that first came out with that, but there's like another brand, like a drugstore brand that has it. If you know what it is, let me know so that I could go get it, because I don't want to spend $26 on my brows. That's also the thing, I don't like spending money on my brows or my hair. Other than Olaplex that I just started doing, but nothing out of this world. Okay, that's decent enough, right? Oh shoot. Eyeshadow, no eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, no eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, no eyeshadow. Been doing eyeshadow like every day. I don't know. No eyeshadow, let's just do a little wing. In brown, not black. Oh, okay, I just did some eyeliner. Keep it like super simple. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe concealer underneath my eyes. I have actually been loving this concealer. You guys, if I didn't have such crazy under eye circles, like, I wouldn't wear makeup. Like, see, that's fine. I could go out like this. But with my under eyes, I freaking hate them. They're so ugly. I need to get a lighter shade in this concealer. I think I'm just gonna wear concealer today. I don't feel like doing all the other stuff right now. Maybe I should have cleaned my sponge. When you hear something annoying, I forgot to apply primer. So I'm actually going to use the Catrice Prime and Fine setting spray. And I'm going to apply that all over and just kind of blend it out after. Like I said, I don't really feel like doing anything crazy today. I do need to really buy a lighter shade of this concealer though, because this is probably going to be my face shade. It is kind of like my face shade now, but I totally hate doing my makeup with a primer. It looks weird. Like it looks like I didn't do anything. I freaking love this concealer. Did not want to love it, but I do. Like, it just looks nice and smooth. Are you kidding me? I do need a lighter shade for sure. Go ahead and set my face with the e.l.f. Halo powder. I have the shade Light. And put that underneath my eyes. Now right here is where I will honestly contour my nose with my Huda Beauty contour, but I don't want to waste it. But I still have my Sony Ketchup in Rich Bronze. It's a cream bronzer. This is no longer sold. This is bomb though. I don't know why Sony Ketchup stopped selling cosmetics. Maybe if they, you know, send it to YouTubers, maybe it would have sold more, but it's actually really good. All their stuff was pretty good. I'm also just shading a little bit around my mouth. I always do a little bit of this just to make my lips look a little bit bigger. Like I need that help, right? Just like putting out. Let's blend this out. I always use my Morphe G42 for this, just to kind of blend it out. See how easy that was? And then I'm gonna go ahead and just set the sides. This halo powder, it like really actually smooths everything out. Alright, since I'm already using my Morphe concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe Filter 5, which is actually one shade darker, but whatever. All over my face. I am, again, the lightest I've ever been, guys, so the lightest I've ever been in a while. But it doesn't look bad. I feel like it's a really good like coverage. Gets the job done. This camera, I think, blurs me out, to be honest, because it's the Sony Vlog one, which I really don't care, because sometimes I've been looking crazy when I vlog, so not gonna complain about that. Alright, I think I'm actually going to use my Essence Matte Bronzing palette, and I'm actually gonna go into the lighter shade. I used the darker ones the other day. It's so pigmented. Okay, see, that's more like my color right now. Just nice and lightly. Bronze up my face a little bit, since I'm not really getting any sun. Really not doing anything in particular, guys. Then the Essence Bronzing palette. That was like $7. Then I'm gonna go back in with the brush I use for my powder for all over my face and lightly kind of brush away my under eyes. Do suggest down below any blushes that you guys think I need to try, because I use this almost every day. And this is the Burt's Bees in Toasted Cinnamon. It's literally my favorite blush for every single day and for going out. It's literally my favorite. I love blushes that don't look like blushes. Anyone else? I feel like some people really love blush, Diana. And I'm not that person. I like it to look just a little bit bronzy-ish. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlight Palette. So pretty, and this is also very, very affordable. I'm gonna go into the 2 gold shades. This brush is flimsy, so it's not gonna apply it really precisely. Then I'm gonna go in with the same 2 shades and apply it to my inner corners of my eyes, because your girl has not slept. Helps wake me up a little bit. Also apply some on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow, and there. That is my Cupid's bow. I don't know why I always say my nose is my Cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna go back in with the brush with a bronzer, and I just kind of slide a little bit on the sides of my nose. And blend back in with the blush and just kind of bring it back into the highlight so it looks more smooth. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put on some mascara and up back. Alright guys, so I really need to reorganize my makeup. I mess it up every day when I do my makeup. I don't know anybody who doesn't mess up their makeup every day. But I reorganized it when I moved in, and then, thank you Steph, you helped. But now it's a hot mess again, and I'm not happy with the way the layout looks. But I do like things a certain way. So let me quickly just show you what it looks like right now.